How to transfer money from CashApp to your bank. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to make sure your bank account is linked. Then tap the person icon at top right. Then select Linked Banks. From here, you can link a bank account or a debit card by entering your banking information. Once that's done, it's time to cash out. Tap Cash Out on the main screen. You will see two options: Standard, no fee, takes a few days, or Instant, small fee, money transfers immediately. Choose your preferred option and enter your PIN, and you are done. In my case, I chose the standard option, so the $50 I cash out will arrive in my bank account on Wednesday. And that's it. If this video helped, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and comment below if you have any queries related to cash application.